हाय गाइस। तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक दैट इज ECG leads and the placements of an ECG electrodes. Okay, now going to the placement of the electrodes, we will see there are how many leads are present. Okay, here in ECG leads. Let's suppose right here ECG electrocardiographic leads are there. Okay, and leads and electrodes are two different things. Okay, leads is different from the electrode here. Next, we know that here the ECG leads has 12 in numbers. Okay, and the electrode which are placed on the ECG or on the body surface, that is electrodes are how much? That is electrodes are, yes please, that is 10 electrodes are present. Okay, how much electrodes are present? 10 electrodes are present. Now we will discuss the how many 12 leads, how the 12 leads are come by the placing a 10 electrodes on a body surface, and where we can place these 10 electrodes on the body. Okay, these things we will discuss in this as topic. Okay, yeah, yes, let's see here. First, we will see about the leads. Okay, we will see about the leads. Now here the ECG leads are two leads are divided into one is, yes please, one is limb leads, another is chest chest leads. Okay, here in limb leads again divisible into two main component, two main component, that is bipolar limb lead, and unipolar limb lead. Okay, unipolar limb leads. Okay, now here the bipolar limb lead and the unipolar limb lead. This unipolar limb lead is also known as augmented vectors. Okay, here, yes, lead 1, lead 2 and lead 3. Okay, this is lead 1, lead 2 and lead 3. These are the three bipolar leads, and you remember that the limb leads are 6 in number. Okay, 6 in number. Limb leads are 6 and chest leads is also 6. Okay, now here in unipolar limb lead, it is also known as augmented limb leads. It has, yes, that is AVF. It means augmented vector of the R. That means right arm. Next, augmented vector of L, that is left arm. Next, augmented vector of F, that is foot. It means left foot. Okay, here this is the 6 leads. These 6 limb leads, bipolar 3 and unipolar 3. It means augmented limb leads are 3. Now we can see the chest leads here. Here in chest leads there are 6 chest leads from V1 to V6, V3, V4, V5 and V6. Now the exact location of all these we will see in the here only, and we can place all these leads on a body surface. Okay, we will show that how the lead 1 is came, lead 2 is came, lead 3 is came, AVF, AVL in EVR and V1, V2, V3. And you know that the chest leads also known as percordial cell. Okay, percordial cell, percordial leads. Okay, percordial leads, it is also known as percordial leads, and these are the unipolar. Okay, these all are unipolar leads, and it is also unipolar limb lead. It is also known as augmented limb leads, Okay, now here the location of V1 is right side of the sternal in fourth intercostal space, and it is left of the sternal in fourth intercostal space. Okay, next it is V3 is between V2 and V4. Okay, where it is V4 is there. Now V4 is left left fifth fifth intercostal space. Fifth intercostal space, mid axillary, sorry, mid clavicular mid clavicular, and it is left fifth intercostal space of anterior axillary. Next, it is left fifth intercostal space of what it is, mid axillary. Okay, these are the exact location of V1, V2, V3 and V4 and V5 and V6. Okay, now we can all these limb leads or all these leads we can place on the body surface and show that how these leads are occur. Okay, and now is placement of the electrodes on a body surface. Okay, placement. Electrodes placement. Let's suppose here your chest. Okay, let's suppose this place. Okay, and these are the legs. Okay, these are the legs. Now this is the thoracic cavity here. Is not an appropriate. We can see image there. Okay, here it is third rib, fourth rib, thoracic rib, fifth thoracic rib, sixth. Okay, here in between third and fourth there is fourth intercostal space, and here it is fifth intercostal space, and it is sixth intercostal space. It is a sternum. Okay, now here the heart is situated here. Okay, next now the heart may be here, somewhat here. Okay, this is the heart. Okay, now here firstly we place in the fourth intercostal space, that is right side of the sternum. Okay, first we will place here V1. Let me label with another color. It is V1, and just right side to this, here it is V2, and in V3 is in between V2 and V4. Here V4 is in the fifth intercostal space, V4, and in between these two there is V3. Okay, there is V3, and this V4 is, this is a clavicular bone. Here in a mid clavicle, that is a mid clavicular bone, that is V4 should be in the mid clavicular, and here V5 should be anterior to the axillary. It is a axillary anterior to the axillary. It means this side of the, it means here this side of the axilla. Okay, anterior to the axilla V5, and middle to the axilla, that is V6. Okay, this is a placement. These three leads electrodes should be present in the fifth intercostal space. Okay, this is in the fourth intercostal space, and this is it is on the approximately on the fifth rib, fourth rib, and it is in the yes, it is in the fifth intercostal space, and these three are in the fifth intercostal space. Now here we will apply a limb leads here. Let's suppose here these are the limbs. Okay, these are the limbs. Here there is a trick to remember the limb leads. Okay, what is the trick here? Read your good books. Good books. It means R is for red, yellow, green, black. Okay, here we will apply first in the right, what it is, right arm. Here it is red. Here it is red. Next yellow. Here it is yellow is not there. I may apply here blue. Okay, it is here yellow in the left arm, and in the right left leg there is a green. Okay, it is in the right leg, and black it is there. We will apply on the right leg. Okay, these are the electrode, and you may know that this black limb lead is limb electrode is neutral. Okay, there is neutral. It does not conduct any electrical activity. Okay, it does not shows any electrical activity in ECG. Okay, so now here this is the placement of ECG leads, electrode, not leads. Now how the leads are formed? Okay, this is a placement. Now how the leads are formed? Now it is very interesting that by 10 electrodes, and they can have the 12 leads. Okay, and how I can show you? That is like this. First we will draw a triangle to see that a clear concept behind this. There is a triangle. I will show you. Yes, in spite of learning about the chest leads, we will only see the limb leads. Okay, if you know the limb leads, then you also know the chest leads. Okay, how the 12 leads are came. Okay, let's suppose here you are right arm is there, that is coated with red. Okay, next here in the left arm, left arm, that is coated with yellow. Okay, it is yellow. Yellow is not there. We will take here blue, that is yellow. Next left leg is green. Okay, left leg, or you can take foot. Left foot is green, and it is black, neutral. It is neutral, black. Left, right foot you take leg. Okay, it is neutral. Okay, and these are the 4 limb leads, limb electrodes. Okay, now these 4 electrodes, how they form 3 bipolar leads and 3 unipolar leads. These are the limb leads are divided. They are total 6 limb leads. In that they are divided into 3 bipolar leads and 3 unipolar leads. The unipolar leads are also known as what? Augmented leads, and bipolar leads are there. Okay, how these by 4 electrode, how they can form 6 bipolar limb leads. Okay, we will see here. Okay, first the heart is present here. Somewhat heart is present. If you take if you join these points in imaginary line, it is looking like a equilateral triangle. It looks like a equilateral triangle. We are not considering this electrode. This, you see these 3 points, it looks like a equilateral triangle. The electrical activity from the heart to right arm or left arm is equal to the left leg is equals to the right arm. Okay, it means the distance from right arm to the heart and left arm to the heart and left leg to the heart is equal. Okay, is equal, and it is the electrical activity is not depend upon the length, because the electrical activity in the body, it is conducted by the volume. Okay, it is conducted in the volume. It means the electrical activity which are present here, that it is equals to the electrical activity should be present here, and somewhere around the body the electrical activity is same, because volume is a good conductor of electricity. It means the fluid which we are have, it is a good conductor of electrical impulses or electrical activity. Okay, it means there is no distance differences is there here. Now here right atrium, sorry, not like right arm, left arm and left leg. Okay, first from here, let me draw here from right left arm to the right arm, there is a lead, there is a lead. Okay, there is a lead, it is known as, here it is negative sign, it is a negative sign. From negative to positive, it is one lead, it is one lead, lead 1, lead 1. Okay, and from here again there is from negative to positive, here is lead 2, lead 2. Next from here it is positive to negative, it is positive here, it is negative and positive, negative and positive, it is lead 3, lead 3. Okay, this is the 3 bipolar leads. Okay, here in the bipolar here in the limb leads, there are 3 bipolar leads are completed. Okay, here lead 1, lead 2 and lead 3. Now comes the unipolar lead, that is augmented lead. Augmented lead means if there is electrical activities present on the right atrium, it is very important. Okay, the electrical activities measuring in the right atrium, the rest of the 2 electrodes are 0 or negative or consider as negative. It is considered by a machine. Okay, it is considered, these 2 electrodes are considered as negative. It means the resultant vector, the resultant current is flows. If there is 2 are negative, it means the electrical activities goes to the right arm. It means it is the augmented vector. What? It is towards the right arm. It is R, augmented vector R. It means the electrical activities which are going to the right arm from heart when these 2 limbs or 2 electrodes are become negative. Okay, how it become negative? Because the machine placed the resistance here. It means the resistance here. Here there are some resistance, because so that the electrical activities are not conducted by this electrode. Okay, this is a mechanism is there. We are not going to in detail of that mechanism. There is only simple thing that these 2 leads become negative and all of the electrical current which are generated from the heart goes to the right arm. Okay, that is augmented vector R. Next, in the second scenario, the left arm become positive and rest of the 2 electrodes become negative, and all the resultant electrical activities are goes to the left arm. That is considered as augmented vector L. Augmented vector L, that is left. Next, same, if there is a positive charge or positive charge, it is on the left leg, the rest of the 2 electrodes become 0 and the resultant current or electrical activities goes to the left leg. It is means A, V, F. Foot it is. Okay, it is foot, it is leg. You can write here foot, there is no confusion is there if you write here foot. Okay, if it is foot, there is no confusion. AVF. Okay, these are the things. What is the first? AVF, AVL and AVR. Okay, AVR, AVL and AVF. These are the 6. 1 lead, lead 2, lead 3, AVR 4, AVL 5, AVF 6. Okay, these are the 6 limb leads and the chest leads are V1 to V6. Okay, this is all our the placements of electrodes and how the leads are there. By 10 electrodes, how the 12 leads came. Okay, it means one lead is formed by the combination of 2 electrodes. Okay, it means one lead is formed by the combination of 2 electrodes in bipolar lead. Okay, here it is 2 electrodes are there. In these 2 electrodes there is a 1 lead. Okay, this is 1 lead 2 and lead 3. These are the bipolar lead. Okay, if any doubt is there, let me know in our comment section. Please like, share and subscribe. Follow for more. Thank you.